prayer. Dear students, kindly close your eyes and join your hands for God's blessings. Loving God, you are the source of all wisdom and knowledge. I submit myself to your divine touch and inspiration. Help me to concentrate on my studies and enable me to remember all that I learn. Bless all the responsibilities of all the leaders, my teachers and parents. Amen.
Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and fine. Today we are going to learn 6th standard unit 1 prose sea turtles. Do you know what is sea turtle? Sea turtle is a reptile with a thick shell that lives in the sea. Okay, before entering into the lesson, let's see about the author. Take page number 94. This prose sea turtle was written by Shekhar Dattatri. Shekhar Dattatri writes popular articles on wildlife conservation and filmmaking. He has been interested in nature from childhood. He is an award-winning wildlife and conservation filmmaker. The author Shekhar Dattatri belongs to Chennai. He has written popular articles. Popular articles means famous articles on wildlife. Wildlife means birds, plants, animals which live in a natural environment. Conservation. Conservation means the protection of natural world. And filmmaking. What is meant by filmmaking? The direction or production of films for cinema or television. He has been interested in nature from his childhood. He has won so many awards for his works. Okay students, let's begin our lesson. Take page number 89. Section 1. First, let's see the meaning of new words given in section 1. Marine, found in the sea or connected with the sea. Species, group of animals with common features, are the group of animals that are all the same kind. Coastal, land by the edge of a sea or near to sea. I am going to read the lesson. Please follow your text carefully. Most of us have seen a tortoise in a zoo or a reptile park. However, not many would have seen its marine relative, the sea turtle. This is not surprising since these reptiles spend almost their entire life in the sea. There are 7 species of marine or sea turtles in the world. Of them, 5 are found in India's coastal waters. The olive ridley, the hawksbill, the green sea turtle, the loggerhead and the leatherback. Compared to most tortoises, sea turtles are huge. Even the smallest species, the olive ridley, weighs up to 35 kg when fully grown. The largest of them all, the leatherback, grows to a length of 2.2 meter and each could weigh as much as 700 kg. Okay, listen. Dear students, you might have seen a tortoise in a zoo or a reptile park. Reptile park means the park where reptiles are kept. Or we can find it in our areas also, near to pond. But we did not see the relative of tortoise, the sea turtle, because the sea turtles spend their whole life in the sea. Totally, there are 7 species of sea turtles in the world. Among those 7, 5 are found in our India's coastal waters. Coastal water is nothing but sea and ocean. We can find 5 kinds of sea turtles in our India's ocean and sea. Those 5 are the olive ridley, the hawksbill, the green sea turtle, the loggerhead and the leatherback. These sea turtles are very huge. Huge means big. The smallest sea turtle is olive ridley and the largest one is the leatherback. Even the smallest one, the olive ridley, weighs up to 35 kg when they grown up. And the largest one, the leatherback's length is 2.2 meter and its weight is 700 kg. Next para. Sea turtles live their life entirely in the oceans, but they still have a connection with land. They must come ashore to lay eggs. Today, 4 of the 5 turtle species mentioned above have become extremely rare in India. The olive ridleys, however, are still commonly seen nesting on sandy beaches all along our coasts. These sea turtles spend their whole life in the ocean. They just come ashore to lay eggs. Ashore is nothing but seashore. Already we have seen 5 sea turtles are found in India, but today the 4 of the 5 species of sea turtles become very uncommon in India. Today we can find only olive ridley on the sandy beaches of our coast. Olive ridleys come to sandy beaches for nesting. Nesting means building or occupying a nest for laying eggs. The remaining 4 become very rare in India. Hope you have understood section 1. Let's move to section 2. New words. Flippers, broad flat limbs used for swimming. Predators, animals that kill other animals for food. Haul, pull with force. Slash, cut. Laboriously, with great effort. Snout, pointed nose of an animal. Cavity, a hollow space or an empty space. Emerge, come out. Camouflage, hide or disguise something. Incubate, hatch eggs using warmth. Follow your text while I am reading. Between the months of January and March, female olive ridleys come ashore at night to lay their eggs. This is quite a problem for them as a turtle's front flippers enable it to swim gracefully and effortlessly but are not very useful for moving on land. The turtle has to haul itself laboriously onto the beach. Then it chooses a spot well away from the high tide line. Here it scoops out a nest cavity 45 cm deep, into which it lays about 100 eggs. Each egg is in the shape and size of a table tennis ball. Once all the eggs are laid, the turtle fills in the cavity, then it camouflages the nest by tossing sand on it using its flippers. That done, it returns to the sea. The eggs are left to incubate under the warmth of the sun. Listen, we have seen that only olive ridleys are still commonly found in India, right? This female olive ridley come to seashore between the months of January and March at night time to lay their eggs. Not the daytime, the night time they will come. They find difficulty to move on land because the turtle's flippers help it to swim in water, but those flippers are not very useful to move on land. The turtle has to pull itself with force and reach the land. After that, it chooses a place to lay eggs. After finding the correct place, it digs the land and makes a cavity. The depth of the cavity is 45 cm. Cavity we have already seen the meaning, which means an empty space. And it lays 100 eggs in it. After laying the eggs, the turtle hides the eggs with sand by using its flippers. Why it is hiding the eggs? It is hiding the eggs in order to protect it from people and animals. After that, after laying the eggs and hiding the eggs, it moves back to the sea. We all knew that eggs need high temperature to hatch. So the turtle left the egg there to catch under the warmth of the sun. Next para. In many places around the world, local people follow the tracks of the turtle to its nest. They collect the eggs for eating. Jackals, domestic dogs, and pigs to dig up and eat the eggs by following the scent left by the turtle. Those eggs that escape such people and predators hatch 45 to 60 days later. The hatchlings slash open the leathery eggshells with the help of a tiny egg tooth. This is like a razor blade at the tip of a catchling's snout. When most of the eggs have hatched, the hatchlings push themselves upwards through the sand and emerge on the surface of the beach. From here, they make a hurried dash to the sea. Dash means act of going suddenly and quickly. Listen, after the turtle move back to sea, the people around the coastal region follow the track left by the turtle and they reach its nest. While the turtle moving on the land, a track will be formed. The people follow that track and reach its nest. And they dig the sand and collect all the eggs to eat. Not only humans, the animals like jackals, dogs and pigs also eat the eggs. Do you know how these animals are finding the nest? They find the nest cavity by their smelling sense. We all know that the animals have great smelling sense, right? They smell the scent left by the turtle and they reach the nest cavity. Some eggs would escape from the people and animals. Those eggs catch after 45 to 60 days. Then the catchlings means the baby turtles, cut the eggshells by using their egg tooth and come out of the eggshell. Do you know what is egg tooth? The egg tooth is like a razor blade and it will be found in the catchling's snout. After all the eggs hatched, the hatchlings come out from the nest cavity. Already we have seen the eggs are inside the sand, right? The mother turtle had hidden it there. So, after the eggs hatched, the hatchlings push themselves upwards through the sands and reaches the seashore. After reaching the shore, they go to the sea suddenly and quickly. Section 3. New words. Survive. Continue to live. Mysteries. Facts that are difficult to understand. Fascinating. Attracting greatly. Decade. A period of 10 years. Follow your text. Many of these tiny catchlings which weigh less than 20 grams each will not even reach the sea. Tiny means very small. They will fall prey to crabs or birds even before they reach the water. Most of those that do make it into the water will also be eaten by many predators in the sea within just a few days of their life. In fact, scientists estimate that only 1 in every 1,000 hatchlings becomes an adult. It is perhaps to ensure that enough hatchlings survive to keep the species going that sea turtles lay so many eggs. Listen, the eggs those escaped from the people and animals had hatched, right? And the hatchlings come out of the nest. Now, those tiny catchlings, those little catchlings whose weight is less than 20 gram will not reach the sea. Why it will not reach the sea? Because while they are moving towards the sea, the crabs or birds will take and eat them. Some catchlings escape from the birds and crabs and reach the sea. But it will also be eaten by the big fishes in the sea. The scientists estimate that just only 1 in 1000 hatchlings becomes an adult. Adult means a person or an animal that is fully grown. See the pathetic condition of the turtles. Just only 1 in 1000 hatchlings becomes an adult. Maybe the sea turtles lay so many eggs to ensure their species exists in the world. Because if they lay so many eggs, few eggs will be hatched and become adult, or else their species will be endangered. Next para. After many years of swimming in the open ocean, the female hatchlings that have become adults return to the same beach where they were born. They come there to lay their own eggs. How they manage to find the place after so many years in the sea is one of the many mysteries of these fascinating reptiles. So, the hatchlings which escaped from all the threats spent many years in the sea. After many years, the female hatchlings that escape from all the threats become adult, right? And they return to the same beach where they were born. They come there to lay their own eggs. See, this is a great wonder, right? We can't understand how they find the exact beach where they were born after so many years. This is one of the mysteries of these fascinating reptiles, these attracting reptiles. The last para. Sea turtles are among the many wonderful creatures we share this planet with. They have survived natural dangers for millions of years. But sadly, human activities during the last few decades have put them in grave danger. There are many factors that threaten their survival. People hunt them for their meat or collect their eggs. Sometimes they are accidentally trapped in the nests of motorboats. Problems like pollution, dumping of plastics into the ocean, and construction activities on nesting beaches also hurt their survival. Only by systematically tackling these problems and removing these threats can we ensure that sea turtles will continue to exist in the years to come. Here, tackling means make an effort to deal with a difficult situation. Listen, the sea turtles are one of the wonderful creatures, right? They never harm us. They will never do any harmful things to us. But what the humans are doing? The humans are harming the sea turtles. These sea turtles have survived from natural dangers for millions of years. Millions of years means 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. So, even though there were many natural dangers, they continue to live for lakhs and lakhs of years. But for the last few years, the human activities have put them in great danger. So, these turtles are unable to live. People kill them for meat and collect their eggs. Already we have seen, right? Also, the people kill it to collect its shell to make ornaments. Sometimes they accidentally trapped in fishermen's nets. Not only these, the pollution and dumping plastics into the sea and constructing buildings near to the sea are also affect their life. When the people construct buildings near to the sea, these turtles will never have place to lay eggs. It will affect their survival. Only by planning and removing all the dangers, we can make them exist in the world. Now, it's in our hand. We have to plan and take effort to keep the turtles safe. If we do so, the turtles will exist in the upcoming years. So, dear children, the humans are destroying many wonderful living creatures. All the living creatures have the right to live. We should not destroy their life. We have to protect them. We have to protect all the living creatures. Okay. Thank you, students. We shall meet in the next class.